Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you today my KnitCrate, and this is the one from September. It's delivered late. So let's take a look at what's inside. So here is the inspiration card. It is Pop Dreams. So let's see what color I got. So I'm going to pull it all out at once. Here's the extra, and it is a soak, and it's in Scentless. And here is the yarn. Look at that. It is a lavender yarn. Oh, there it is. It's lavender. It's very pretty. This is called Coquette. It is 65% superwash merino, 35% Surrey alpaca. It is a worsted weight, 225 yards, hand washed gently, dry flat. And there it is. It is Knitology swirl. And here is the back. Come on, there it is. And there's the label. And they are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And in the KnitCrate, you could have gotten this blue, the Coquette, or Dance Party. That would have been, Cinderella was blue, Coquette was lavender, and Dance Party was a burgundy color. And then the Sock Club was right there. And that is fantastic. Absolutely love these. These are so beautiful. Try to get the lavender. There's the lavender color right there. So they are quite stunning. Love these. So I hope you enjoyed seeing them as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. They are super soft. Love these. Really do. They would make beautiful gloves, scarf, a hat, cowl. Absolutely super soft. Really enjoy these. So I hope you enjoyed those. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.